golden touch.
I picked black color because it's classic and my favorite.
Let's get started. Isn't it too hot these days? Let's make AC. It is gonna be super easy. We are gonna be using super simple supplies so that everyone can make it. And also, there is a special guest, an artist, my sister, a YouTuber, Soar Pro Arts. So let's begin. These are the cardboards we are gonna use to make the fans place. Let me show you their placements. So this cardboard is gonna be here. We're gonna use it as a door so that the wind can go in and out. As you can see, it's gonna be like this. This is 12-volt motor we're gonna be using. This is our 12-volt charger. Man, these are cool fans. This is our light, it's optional. These are our total supplies. We are going to be plugging our dot wire in the charger, and then we will add the motor, and then we add our favorite colored fan. We also going to be using this light. It's optional for you. Now let's make it. First, let's apply the glue and stick it. Now with the help of masking tape, we will secure it. Now let's attach the cardboard from which we are going to place the fan. We are also going to secure it with masking tape. Now let's make a hole from which we can pull out our wire. Now let's stick the motor with hot glue gun. Now we are going to try test it after we attach the fan. Now let's make its front part with using sticks and cardboard. Now we will attach its roof. We will use glue to stick it and secure it with masking tape. Now we will attach its front, and also we will secure it with masking tape. Now as if it's ready, my sister will paint it in black color with golden touch.
I picked black color because it's classic and my favorite.
So are you guys ready to see the result? Before that, please make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel because this is my first video. I will upload a long video every Sunday.
Right now, my brother is a new content creator, so you'll need to show support. Anyways, back to work. Look, everyone, didn't I made it wonderful?
This is the end of our video. Hope you learned something new. Now you guys can use it when the lights go out. Now like the video and subscribe the channel. Bye.
Bye.